Hey guys, I just decided to videotape because I'm always out doing stuff more than I put up on YouTube for you guys. So I went food shopping and I have to put the food away. I hate this part. Look at the refrige. It's a mess. So now I gotta clean out the refrige, unpack the food, organize the refrige, and I've done some painting in the kitchen as well. So the kitchen is a wreck, but I'm gonna get this part done. Oh boy. You know what, guys? I decided to share with y'all the color of the kitchen while I'm doing this, so I won't have to do two videos. One. So this is the color I went with in the kitchen. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. What is the name of this color again? Lord, I got so many different tones of grays in my home. I forgot this color, but I will put the color up here. Okay, I know it's definitely a Behr paint. It is a satin finish, and I also use black as my trim around my baseboards and the window and the door. I have to do another coat on here, as you can see. Yep, and over here on this window, same thing. I did the baseboards there. Now, guys, this freaking cabinets are not matching the kitchen anymore. It matches the countertops, but not the kitchen. So I'm gonna also put an insert here of the color cabinets I want. And you guys tell me in the comments whether or not you think that color would look great in the kitchen. This is the color of the kitchen, and I'm gonna insert the color of the cabinets that I want. And at some point, somebody else out there is gonna come here to my house and paint the cabinets, because that's a lot of freaking work. I don't know if I'm up for that, but we'll see. We will see in time. Anyway, let me get back to putting the food away, guys. So you've seen this wreck of a refrigerator before, and then I'll show you the after. Okay, my mom took all of my organizing things out of my refrigerator, so I've just been doing it the regular way. But now that I got my kitchen back, I can do it the way I like to do it. So you'll see. All right, guys, see ya.
Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need.
Hey guys, I'm done putting the food away in the refrigerator and the freezer. So we're all done. Here we go. It just feels so good to have things organized. And the refrigerator. Yes, guys. And if anybody wants to know, I get these little things here from TJMaxx or Marshalls, along with the egg containers. They come from TJMaxx or Marshalls. Home Goods too, you can get them at. Also these little trays here. Yes, guys. So thank you for joining me once again on Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. Until next time, guys. Bye.